Few days ago, I was telling you guys that the Versys 1000 was the most affordable inline 4 Grand Tourer motorcycle in the country. Well, let's say you do not have 16 lakh rupees to spare to get your hands on one of those, but you still want to have the same fun that the Versys 1000 offers. What do you do? The answer is pretty easy. Swap out 2 cylinders, ditch the IMU, and voila, there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about the Versys 1000's younger sibling, the 2021 Kawasaki Versys 650. In terms of design, nothing much has changed in the motorcycle. It still gets the twin LED headlight setup, a manually adjustable windscreen, and a smoke LED tail lights. However, it still lacks on LED setup on the headlights and gets bulb halogen setup instead. Like the Versys 1000, the weight of the motorcycle is spread majorly across the front end, giving you all the room to saddle with ease. Like the Versys 1000, this too gets pannier mounts beautifully integrated with the grab rails. It gets a semi-analog instrument cluster which you also see on the Vulcan S. It displays a host of information like your gear position, odometer, fuel efficiency, and your range, etc. Ergonomics. Seat height at 840mm is same as that of the Versys 1000, and if I say I was comfortable on the Versys 1000, this definitely is a piece of cake. You also get an upright riding posture courtesy the high and wide handlebar. Also, the adjustable clutch and brake levers really make a huge difference to the entire ride quality. Adding to the comfort are these plush seats which are nicely cushioned and padded both for the rider and the pillion.
Scope weight, however, at 218 kgs has now gone up by 2 kgs than the previous Versys 650. However, the weight distribution is still so well done that you would not feel any discomfort while maneuvering this motorcycle. Keep in mind that this also includes a massive 21-litre fuel tank to take you places that you have longed for.
The 2021 Kawasaki Versys 650 is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine which is BS6 compliant. And this engine churns out a max power of 66 bhp at 8500 rpm and a max torque of 61 Nm at 7000 rpm, which is roughly about 1.3 bhp and 3 Nm less than the BS4 model. However, the 2021 Kawasaki Versys 650 makes up for the loss of torque with its fantastic mid-range experience. I mean, with the bottom-end torque available as low as 4000 rpm, having fun on this is inevitable. And with the super sensitive on and off throttle transition, filtering out in tight traffic is a child's play.
Also, the radiators do a phenomenal job in cooling the engine down. Never did I feel any heat coming onto my legs, even in peak city traffic.
That being said, let's fire it up. Braking on the 2021 Kawasaki Versys 650 is handled by Nissin. The twin 300mm pedal disc at the front and the single 250mm disc at the rear drop anchor whenever you need it and with ace. It gets dual channel ABS as standard. However, the ABS might trick you a little. I'll share an instance. I was doing 130 plus on an empty patch of road and suddenly I had to brake real hard. The ABS kicked in later than usual. However, it did recover the wheel lock moment that I had. So you have to keep that in mind. Suspension system on the Versys 650 is pretty robust. On the front you get 41mm USD forks from Showa which are fully adjustable. On the left is the preload setting and on the right is the rebound damping. On the rear you get a preload adjustable offset monoshock. You can easily tweak the suspension as per the terrain as they are very easy to reach. The stock setting did a fantastic job in almost every road condition that I put it through. The 2021 Kawasaki Versys 650 runs on 17-inch road spec tires from Dunlop. On the front is a 120/70 profile and on the rear is a 160/60 profile. The tires give you the right amount of feedback while on roads and handle mild off-roads very well. However, this motorcycle having a massive ground clearance of 170mm has the potential to go on trails, but you might want to switch your tires before doing so. Now comes the million-dollar question. How much does the Versys 650 cost? Well, the 2021 Versys 650 is priced at Rs 7.15 lakhs ex showroom, and I think it's still value for money. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That, ladies and gentlemen, will all be about my first ride experience of the 2021 Kawasaki Versys 650. I hope you guys like the video, and in that case you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. In case of any queries or promotions, write to me on the below email ID or simply hit me up on Instagram. I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao.